are playing at the playground. You're so cute. I'm gonna edit and post videos right now. This is my me time. We just got back in the classroom. We were locked out for like 25 minutes. We had to find someone to let us back in. We are heading home. I'm beat. You guys want to come say bye? You don't have to. Why the face? Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.